If Steam is giving you a DirectX error when you try to launch a game, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple fix step by step. This method is quick, it's free, and it usually solves the problem without needing to reinstall the entire game. So if you want to get back into your game as fast as possible, keep watching. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and let's get straight into it. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is showing the DirectX error, then right-click on it. From the menu, click Properties. This will open the game settings inside Steam. Once you're in Properties, look for the Installed Files tab. Click that, and then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check the game's files and repair anything that's missing or damaged. This step is important because DirectX errors can sometimes happen when a game file is corrupted or not installed properly. Let the verification process finish completely before moving on. After that, go back to your library and right-click the same game again. This time, hover over Manage and then click Browse Local Files. This will open the folder where the game is installed on your computer. Now look for a folder called _commonredist. Open that folder, then open the DirectX folder inside it. In that folder, you should see a file called DXSETUP.exe. Double-click DXSETUP.exe to run the DirectX installer. Even if DirectX is already installed on your PC, running this setup again can repair missing components that the game needs to launch correctly. Once the DirectX setup finishes, restart your computer. This restart is important because it helps Windows apply the changes and refresh any system files related to DirectX. After your PC turns back on, go to your Steam shortcut or Steam installation and run Steam.exe as administrator. Running Steam with admin rights can help avoid permission issues that may be blocking the game from loading DirectX properly. Now, launch the game again and check if the error is gone. In many cases, this is enough to fix the issue and get the game working normally. If it still doesn't launch, you may want to repeat the file verification step one more time, or check whether your graphics drivers and Windows updates are fully up to date, since those can also affect DirectX performance. So to quickly recap, you opened Steam, verified the game files, browsed the local files, ran DXSetup.exe from the Directs folder, restarted your PC, and launched Steam as administrator. That simple process can fix a lot of Steam DirectX errors without a lot of hassle. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy gaming fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.